Alright, my name is Josh, you're watching Hidden Hammock, and by the thumbnail, you came here for a party, I know, and that's what I'm going to give you. Check this out. We're going to stay off camp there tonight. Yeah. I just grabbed everything I need to set up my hammock. We're going to run in now, set up the hammock, and then we'll come back and get my backpack from the forest here. So yeah, that's us, man. Let's go and hang our hammock between these two excavators and see if we can stay the night. Yeah, Hidden Hammock. Okay, ready? Let's set up. Let's go. Alright, check this out. Yeah. Let's check up the hammock. You like that? Yeah. That's how we do it. What do you reckon about that? Fantastic, eh? Yeah. You like that? Alright, I'm gonna go get some other stuff. I'll be back soon. Guys, how awesome is that? Far out, man. This is such an awesome hand. Can't wait to show you. Ready? You ready? Bam. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Let's get down closer. Bam, check this out, man. Look at that, man. I never seen anyone hang between two excavators. Look at that. This is fantastic. Man, Hidden Hammock. Look at that. Fantastic, man. I'm so glad I got here. Thank you guys for the support. Wow. This is just crazy. Look at that angle. Yeah, man. Hidden Hammock, man. Hiding in between two excavators. Look at that. That's us tonight. Yeah, yeah. I'm on some, I don't know what this is. It's like an artificial grass rolls. I know, but check over here. Yeah, that's us. That's your boy. Sleeping in there tonight. Yeah. All right, guys. What do you think of that? Hanging a hammock just above, is that called the bucket? Just there. Across to there. And running a ridgeline across the same. All set up for night mode. We're not set up for the rain though. I don't really want to use the tarp tonight if I don't have to, but I mean, look at that. The sun's going down and there are clouds in the sky. And every time I've camped lately, it's thundered and rained, so better be prepared. So I'm still waiting a little bit longer to set up my tarp. Yeah. But check that out. Isn't that just beautiful? That's just glorious, man. What a wonderful way to express myself by hanging between these two excavator buckets, whatever those things are. Wicked, eh? Man, look at that. Oh, yes. Now we're gonna set up my air mattress, my survival blanket, and loft out my sleeping bag. All right, everything is in here, lofting, ready for tonight. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna take these back to my backpack. Let's go. Excellent, yeah. I got everything I need for tonight, and I'm keeping my backpack stashed in the bush with all my gear because I'm so close to the road here and where these two excavators are parked. If someone drives past in the middle of the night and tries to mess with me, I can run away into the forest. I can run that way and run that way, and I can come back and recover my bag later. So that's the plan. I've stashed my backpack. Just gonna peel this back and put my drink inside. Got us some candy for tonight. Put that up in the candy stash pocket. What a beautiful night. I hope it doesn't rain tonight. I so hope it doesn't rain. What else have I got here? Just get my power bank out. There we go. Got the power bank. Just gonna put that in the other stash pocket so I can run power to my phone. So we can keep the show going, you know? Keep YouTubing, keep messaging. Yeah. And that's it. Alright. Gonna zip that up. Just gonna kick my shoes off up here so I don't have to go far to get them. And yeah, that's us guys. Hanging our hammock in between two excavators. Yeah, boy. Come inside, have a look. What do you reckon? Got us. Got the power hooked up. Got the sleeping bag. Got the mattress. Got some drink. And then, yeah. How's that? Fantastic. Hidden hammock. Alright. Let's hope no one drives past here and sees me. If someone does come past here, they might miss me by accident, and they'll go down there to the end of the road where they'll have to turn around and come back. That'll give me enough time to undo the hammock and make the dash into the forest. Yeah, so that's the plan, okay guys? Otherwise, this is us tonight. We had dinner, we had 10 mussels and 5 deep fried pieces of squid. Let's try this one here. This fat mussel right here. Let's dip it in. Alright, you ready? Ready for this, guys? Puhoi mussels, deep fried. Let's go. Oh wow, they're really good. Really good. Should we try one of these pieces of squid now? We'll try it without tartare sauce, okay? Try this without tartare sauce first. Oh wow, they're really tasty too. It was glorious, and a tub of olives. Yeah, the olive lady. Yeah, she was cute. Till we meet again, cutie. See you on the flip side. And so yeah, we're all fed up. Saw heaps of action next to the motorway today. How are those cop cars? Alright, we got cop number 4. He's stuck. He's stuck behind. Cop number 4's got a bit of traffic. What's he gonna do? Oh, look at that. That was close. That was close. It must be a big crime if they need 4 cars. Youth crime's up. Youth crime is up. Oh no, guys. They're sending in more reinforcements. This is insane. Look at this. Look at this. They got one more stuck behind. Look, these 10 cars. Oh, he's on the wrong side of the road. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, that's some driving. That was insane, eh? Yeah. Anyway, this is us tonight. Hidden hammock between 2 excavators. You like that? Alright, bro. I'll catch you on the flip. So straight up, out that window of my hammock, I can see one excavator, and then at the other window of my hammock I can see the other one. Yeah. Oh. Fantastic. Man, I think I hear a car coming. I hope that it's not a car coming. I don't know, I've got a pretty good chance. I reckon if someone drove past, they might not see me, and then I could make an escape. Hopefully. I don't know what you can see, guys, but I think that's a Tui saying goodnight to me. Good night, Tui. He's somewhere up there in the tree. Yeah, that's how dark it is, really. But when I zoom in, it flicks to another lens. And yeah, there's a bird up there somewhere. Fantastic. Already got 1 star. Look, there's 1 star up there. And good night, Tui. That's us. All right, guys, this is us. Set up between these 2 excavators. Inside the hammock. Everything's looking pretty good. It's pretty clear up in the sky. I can't see any clouds now. So hopefully it holds all night, because my last 2 staff camps were raining as. Lots of rain. Yeah, my last 2 staff camps, it poured, chucked it down. So I'd be stoked tonight if I could just hang in my hammock and keep dry and warm and not have to worry about the dangers of getting rained on. But yeah, I'm totally hyped about this camp tonight. Hopefully we can pull this off. Talk soon. Guys, I wish I could show you, but the sky is just clear. It's full of stars. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's fantastic, yeah. I don't know, I might go for a walk soon. We'll go check out the motorway, see what we can see. And then we'll come home and go to sleep. There's the motorway at night. And in the distance, you can see the 2 tunnels. Glorious. You can see the glow along the horizon too, coming from the city. Fantastic. Just beautiful. I'm glad I came for a little 10-minute walk down to the motorway's edge to show you. Look, no one's on it for just a moment. Look, not 1 car. Look. Imagine we could just tear it up right now. Here we go. What a car coming. Over the fence. Let's go. All right, we made it back to the excavators where we're camping. This is us. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna jump back to the hammock and let's eat some candy, yo. Awesome. Thanks for coming with me down to the motorway. All right, back inside. Now, when I was in Warkworth the other day, I stopped at this candy shop called, what was it called? It's called Chocolate Brown. It was a cafe, and next door they made candies and sweets and chocolates. So I grabbed these hard-boiled candies, and they're Feijoa flavored. Now Feijoa, I think, is a South American, maybe a Brazilian fruit, but it's frequently grown in Australia and in New Zealand. And you'll normally find a tree at a good old-fashioned New Zealand batch out at the beach. So the holiday home, everyone has a Feijoa tree, and these are Feijoa flavored lollies. So while we hang and swing in between these 2 excavators, we're gonna suck on some Feijoa candies, hard boiled. Yeah, let's do it. All right, let's have a look at these. That's what we're working with, guys. I'm just gonna put my hand in here, get one out. There we go. They're like a dark green with like some white marbling through it. They're just a boiled candy. But yeah, check this out. You ready? Wow. These would make great take on the airplane lollies. You know, like when they used to like hand out like Herds barley sugars on the plane and stuff. These are really good, man. These are tasty. I'm not gonna chew it. I'm gonna suck on it for a while. And yeah, I'm just gonna lay back in my hammock, listen to the owls, the moorporks, and Can you hear it? More pork. And yeah, just gonna chill. Fantastic. I'll check in soon. Thanks, guys. It's just gone midnight. Just been watching some YouTube videos. Watched one from Steve the Transit Camper. And yeah, Gravedigger's new video. I'm gonna actually get into my sleeping bag now. I just been chilling here in my hammock, lying on top of my sleeping bag and my mattress. But I'm gonna get warm now and get ready to go to sleep. All right, guys. I'm in my sleeping bag. I'm all warm. Yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up. Hopefully we get up early. Don't wanna be hanging around these excavators too long. But we might wake up in the morning, take down our hammock, make our way to the motorway edge, to the freeway, and watch the sun come up over there or something. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go to sleep now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. It's the middle of the night, I can't sleep. Too many owls and frogs, man. Anyway, I better get some sleep. See you guys. Good morning, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna get up and we are gonna show you around. Then we're gonna pack up the hammock and then we're gonna go down to the motorway, check out the view. Let's do this. Check that out, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? Head and Hammock, Stealth Camping Alliance. That's what it looks like from up here. And that's what it looks like up here. You get the idea. What an awesome spot, eh? Right now, we are gonna just pack down my hammock, go and find my bag that I've got hidden in the bushes, and then we're gonna make our way over to the motorway. And yeah. All right. And sling over the hammock and let's go. And bam, all packed up, leave no trace. How was that, man? For a stealth camping location. That was epic, eh? Now we're gonna head down there towards the motorway and enjoy the view. All right, guys, that's it. It's been a pleasure having you. My name is Josh. You've been watching the channel Hidden Hammock. But right now, it's time to go. All right, we out. Just started raining, guys, real bad. I have to get my rain cover on my bag. I'm already in my jacket. Far out. Get my rain cover on. Look at this, man. I gotta get to cover. I'm gonna get into the forest. It's raining now. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in the store one more time and resupply, get some drinks, maybe something to nourish on. Got us a Schweppes lemonade and some Danish salami, mild garlic flavor. We're gonna smash back that today, yeah. Alright guys, we're finally moving on. It's raining a little bit. We've been terrorizing this town for 2 days, so it's time to go now. Yeah, we've overstayed our welcome for sure. That's the church of St. Peter and Paul. Beautiful. Alright, check this out guys. I'm just putting a visor on the back of my bag because I'm dressed all stealth and black, but I'm about to do a dangerous road walk just for a small section, maybe 2 kilometers of road walking on a real dangerous bit. So I'm just got my Swiss Army knife, just gonna punch a hole here and use this carabiner, and then we're just gonna hook it up like that. Check it out. And boom, that's how it's gonna hang. How's that? Is that good? And then so when cars are coming up on me, they'll see me. Yeah, that looks legit. It's gonna make us way safer. Guys, is that my shoe? Oh my god. Nah, I just come up on that one. Pretty funny though, eh? Check that out. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna try go that way. Wow guys, trying to cross there was hard out, but we got some space now to walk along here. Yeah. Oh yeah? Cool. Let's go. Bam. I found my drain. Yeah. Fantastic. That's fantastic. I found my drain, guys. Can't believe it. There's no one around here. Alright guys, I was just walking along there and I looked back over here and I seen this new tunnel, this ladder. Should we go down and have a quick look, see how big it is? Let's go. I'm gonna put the camera away though in my pocket till I get down there. Wow guys, we just climbed down there and look, far out, and the tunnel goes all the way over there. Fantastic. They haven't finished constructing these yet, so these tunnels will be blocked up at both ends sooner or later. But yeah, it's cool to get down and have a look. It goes pretty long, eh? Anyway guys, I'm gonna climb out and keep going because I gotta get off this highway section. Wow, look at those trees all falling down. That's fantastic. And this clump of pines in here. Remember that spot? Alright. Check it out guys. That's the Johnston Road tunnels, and one time we camped just right there. We ninja'd down to the forest And yeah, we camped right above that tunnel. Normally I wouldn't be able to experience the tunnels coming from this direction, so yeah, it's just lucky that I was hiking the trail today, and because the roadworks, it brought me past here so close. Fantastic. Yeah, so one time we stayed above there. Yeah, and that's where we come from. There, guys, we walked all the way along there, up here.